Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can write a program that print a Fibonacci series. Okay, Fibonacci series is a series of the number in which each number is the sum of two preceding number. Okay, first let me create a file, but I'm sorry. Okay, the example of Fibonacci series is 1, 2, 3. Okay, as I said earlier, it's the sum of two preceding number. Fibonacci series is always start with two number 0 and 1. Okay, if I sum 0 and 1, the result will be okay. If I sum 0 and 1, the result will be 1. So as I said earlier, it's always start from 0 and 1. The next terms is becomes 1. And if I sum again the two preceding term here 1 plus 1, the result will be 2, the next terms will be 2. And similarly, if I sum two preceding term here, two preceding terms are 1 and 2. If I sum 1 and 2, the result will be 3, and our next Fibonacci series term is 3. Okay, let's write a program to print this. At first I ask the users how many terms does they want to print. Okay, at first term int input. Okay, enter the term you want to want to print. Okay, and the next things I initialize some variable 0 y equal to 1 and I'm sorry count equal to 0. Okay, if term is less than or equal to 0, I print the message please enter the positive number. Okay, enter the positive number, and if the user enter 1 rather than using while loop, I simply print if term equal to 1 print okay the series is print x. Okay, let me run and check it. Okay, if I enter 1, then it gave me 0. Okay, it is perfectly working. The next term says else. Okay, I'm sorry, else I want to print a message similar of here. Okay, okay, and while count is less than term, I will explain this each term. Okay, and the next things is print x. Now we create a new variable which is the sum of x and y. And I increase the count by 1. So let me run this whether it is working or not. If it's not working, I will fix this. Okay, if I want 5 terms, then you can see it is printing me a 5 term. Okay, let me explain you. Here count is 0 and term is 5, so condition become true, so the body of loop is printed. At first print x. the value of the current value of x is 0. Okay, it is here, so first term is 0. Okay. Okay, and here x is 0 and y is 1, so result is 1. Okay, and here I replace the value of x with the value of y. Okay, x equal to 1 because the value of y is 1. Okay, and okay, here I replace the value of y with the value of ant. Okay, y equal to 1 because ant value is 1, and it's at that time it should become first 0 and 1. Okay, and it's go here and 1 condition is true and x is printed again. Okay, and the current value of x is 1, you can see here. So okay, 1 is printed, and the next thing is 1 and y is also 1, so this one is 2. And okay, at that time x is 1 and y is 1, so it's become same, so and but it's become 2. Okay, and it's 2 and it's also 2. Okay, and okay, 2, the condition become true, the body of loop is again executed, the current value of x is 2, 1, sorry, I'm sorry, here, and 1. Okay, I'm here, and okay, the value of x is 1, but the value of y is 2. This sum become 3 and become 2, and because value of y is 2 and okay 3 because nth is 3, I'm sorry, nth is 3, and count become 3, and okay, again 3, so condition become true and the body of loop is again execute, and the current value of x is 2 from here, so 2 is printed, and okay, okay, I'm here. Okay, x is printed. At that time the value of x is 2 and the y is 3. Okay, y is 3, so become 5 and 5. Okay, and it should become 3. Okay, it's, I'm sorry, 3, and it's 3, and okay, it's 5. Okay, it's 5 and it's 4. Okay, it's go here and the condition become true, 4, and the current value of x is 3, so 3 will print it, and the next, okay, I'm sorry, I have to correct here. Okay, at that time the value of x is 3 and y is 5. Okay, and this one become 8, and okay, 5, it become 5, and y become 5, and it should become 8. Okay, it should become 8. Okay, it should become 5. Let's go again here and check the condition. Okay, 5 greater, which is false, so body of loop is not executed. So in this way the Fibonacci series is printed. I hope you guys understand this. If you does not understand it, please comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching, guys.